If you've been seeing the Floatbro motor floaties online, you might be wondering if they're actually worth buying or if they're just another overhyped product. After looking into what they offer, here's what I found. At first glance, Floatbro motor floaties look like a fun upgrade over regular pool floats. Instead of simply drifting around, these inflatable floats come with a small electric motor that lets you move across the water with very little effort. That alone makes them stand out from standard inflatables. One thing I like is how easy they appear to use. The controls are simple, and the motor is designed for slow, relaxed cruising. It's not built for speed, so don't expect it to feel like a jet ski. This product is all about enjoying the water at a comfortable pace. The inflatable design is another plus. Once deflated, it's much easier to transport than a hard plastic watercraft. That's great if you're planning trips to the lake, pool, or beach. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Battery life is limited, so you'll need to recharge it after use. You'll also want to check the recommended weight limit before buying. Going over that limit can affect both performance and safety. So, is Floatbro motor floaties a scam? Based on the available information, it doesn't appear to be. It's a real product that delivers the basic features it advertises. However, your experience will depend on buying from a trustworthy seller and having realistic expectations. As for whether it's worth it, that depends on what you're looking for. If you want a relaxing way to float around the pool or calm water without constantly paddling, it could be a fun purchase. But if you're expecting high speeds or long-lasting battery performance, you may end up disappointed. Before you buy, take a few minutes to read recent customer reviews and compare prices from different sellers. That can help you avoid fake listings and make a more informed decision. Overall, Floatbro motor floaties seem like a fun gadget for casual water adventures. They're not revolutionary, but they do offer something different from traditional pool floats.